Good morning, here is Nelis. I just want to show you very quickly how you can buy, tokens with your KaratPay, okay? First of all, check in your KaratPay system, your KaratPay account. Check how many Uniful you've got. You will see that everything is now showing in Uniful, which means 1 Uniful equals 0.1 gram of gas gold, okay? That's very important to remember. 1 Uniful is 0.1 gram of gas gold. Okay, check how many Uniful you have available so that you can here start to buy in your KaratBank account. Okay, so KaratBank.io, and then you have logged in, and then you choose, of course, KaratPay wire transfer as option. Okay, then you make a tick here so that you agree with the public offering and terms and conditions, and then you just start to put in a figure here. Now the minimum amount to buy is 50 euros, okay, because at the moment the price is about 5 cents per token, so that means you can get 1028 token for 50 euros. Okay, that's a fantastic price, of course, already, but it's even better, of course, because you are getting much more because you're paying with KaratPay. Now, below, so if you put in here 50 euros, below here you see how many you get for it, but here you see how much you need to pay in Uniful. Okay, so whatever figure you put in here, which is covered by your KaratPay account, okay, you can change the figure here, and then you will see the Uniful going up, and then you can just pay the amount of Uniful you like. Okay, so just imagine you only pay for these 1028 KaratBank coin or tokens, you only pay 1.2. Yes, understand this, 1.2 Uniful, and as I told you before, 1 Uniful is 0.1 gram of gas gold. So absolutely fantastic. It means really you're getting the tokens for the price of 1 cent plus an additional 40%. Yes, 40% additional on top of that, okay, as a bonus. Absolutely fantastic. So everybody should now, of course, buy with KaratPay. Okay, then just click on buy, and then you end up this page, and then you can just click on pay with KaratPay. That's all you do. Then you log into your your KaratPay account. You just put in your details here, and the only thing you do then is just you click on process payment. That's all you do. Okay, and then your payment is okay. That message came in my case, of course, and then you will be directed to your dashboard again, and you will see what you have bought. Okay, so absolute fantastic. That's how simple it is. Have a great Easter, and speak to you soon.